Hello students, welcome back. I am Venkesh sir and today we'll continue with exercise 9.3 of chapter number 9, that is sequence and series. Till now we have completed till question number 5. So let's start with question 6. Question number 6. For what values of x the numbers minus 2 by 7, x and minus 2 by 7 are in GP? Now see here, when there is arithmetic mean, okay, when you take alternate numbers, then the average will be the number between them. Okay, here you have to take square root of the alternate numbers, so you will get the number between them. So that is called geometric mean. So now, if we will multiply minus 2 by 7 and minus 2 by 7 and take the square root, we will get the geometric mean, means the number between these two. X will be equal to square root of minus 2 by 7 into minus 2 by 7. That is the square root of minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. And 7 sevens are 49. The value of x is equal to 2 by 7. Clear? So this was about question number 6. So just note it down. Now let's see the next, that is question number 7. Question number 7. Find the sum to indicated numbers of the terms in each of the geometric progression in exercise 7 to 10. Okay, so from 7 to 10, you have to find out the sum of the given geometric progression. So first is 0.15, 0.015 up to 20 terms. So let's see, the first term A is equal to 0.15. Okay, now the ratio. Let's take the ratio. The ratio is 0.015, the second term upon the first term. This will be equal to, I can write it down, 1s are 10. So ratio is 1 upon 10. Okay, so I can write down this as 0.1 also. Right, I can write down this as 0.1. So now, we have to find the sum. So the formula for sum is a r raised to r raised to n minus 1 upon, sorry, not a r, a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Or a 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. See, generally when r is less than 1, then we will use this formula. Using that, Sn equal to a, that is 0.15. 1 minus 0.1. See, what is the n? Up to 20 term. So instead of n, I will write down as 20. So 1 minus 0.1 raised to 20 upon 1 minus 0.1. 0.15 upon 1 minus 0.1, that will be 0.9. 1 minus 0.1 raised to 15, 6 are 90. So this will be equal to 1 upon 6. So the sum of the series of the geometric progression will be 1 by 6, 1 minus 0.1, 4 raised to 20. Okay, this is the answer for question number 7. So just note it down. Let's see the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8, root 7, root 21, by root 7 up to n term. So here the first term a is equal to root 7. The ratio r is equal to root 21 upon root 7. 7 3s are 21, so that will be equal to root 3. It's greater than 1. So now you have to find out up to n terms. Okay, so Sn will be equal to a r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. A, what is the first term? Root 7. R, that is root 3 raised to n minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Clear? Now see here, in denominator it's root 3 minus 1. So let's divide it by conjugate. Multiply divided by conjugate. So multiply by root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So this will be equal to root 7. Sorry, not 3. Root 7. Now square root means 1 by 2. The power will be 1 by 2. And here it's n. So n and 1 by 2. N into 1 by 2, it will be n by 2. Minus 1 upon. Now root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. So root 3 square, that is 3 minus 1 square, 1. And numerator, root 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So your answer will be root 7 by 2. 3 raised to n by 2 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. Okay, so this is your answer for question number 8. Just note it down. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 9. Question 9 and 10. In question 9, it is given that the series is 1 minus a square and minus a cube. And you have to find out up to nth term. So the first term a is equal to 1. The ratio r, that is equal to minus a by 1. So that is equal to minus a. Okay. So now Sn, that will be equal to a r raised to n minus 1 upon. And now see here it is given. Sorry, a is not equal to 1. Now a is negative upon r minus. What is a? 1. R raised to n means minus a raised to n minus 1 upon minus a minus 1. So see what I can do, I can take minus sign common. So it will be minus a raised to n minus 1 upon minus a plus a. I can multiply this minus sign in the numerator. So here Sn will be equal to 1 minus a raised to n upon 1 plus a. Okay, so this was about question number 9. Clear? Now for question number 10. The first term a is equal to x cube. The ratio r is equal to x raised to 5 upon x cube. So that is equal to x square. Okay, now we are having a and r. So the summation, there n numbers, it will be a r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Okay, so this will be equal to a, that is x cube. Okay, r raised to n, that is x square whole raised to n minus 1 upon x minus 1. Sorry, x square minus 1. X cube 2 and n. So power of power, multiply x raised to 2n minus 1 upon x square minus 1. This is Sn. Or else you can also write it in this way. 1 minus x raised to 2n, taking minus sign common, and also in denominator. Clear? So this was about question number 9 and 10. So just note down question 9 and 10. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 11. Question number 11. Summation of 2 plus 3k where k is equal to 1 to 11. Now see, summation of 2 plus 3 raised to k is equal to 1 to 11. Now see how to use it. It's 2 plus 3k, so first put the value of k as 1. So it's 2 plus 3 raised to 1. Summation means plus. Now put the value of k as 2. 2 plus 3 square. Summation plus. Now put the value of that is 3. You have to do it till the last, you have to do it with 11. So this will be equal to 2 plus 3 raised to 11. Okay. So now see, if you separate it, 2 plus 2 plus 2, there will be 11 such brackets. 11 times. Plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube up to 3 raised to 11. Okay. So 2 plus 2 up to 11 times, that will be 22. Now in this case, the first term is 3 and the ratio, that is 3 square by 3 equal to 3. So let me write it with some other pen. In this case, the first term is equal to 3. The ratio, that is 3 square by 3 equal to 3. So we'll use the formula A r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Right, because this is the geometric progression. So plus A, that is 3, r raised to n, and what is n here? 11. So 3 raised to 11 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Okay, clear? So this will be equal to 22. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So plus 3 by 2, 3 raised to 11 minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 11. Just note it down. Now let's see the next, that is question number 12. Question number 12. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Now see here, there are first three terms. We know that these are the consecutive terms. Now see, when you have to take odd number of consecutive terms and even number of consecutive terms, there is a difference. When you have to take odd number, here 3 is odd. So let's take the central term as A. Now see, we know that as we want to move to next term, multiply by R. Next, multiply by R. So A into R, AR will be the next term. And if I want to take previous term, it will be A divided by R. Now see, this is the first term, A by R. Multiply by R, A. Multiply by R, AR. Okay, so we can form the consecutive terms in this way. Okay, but say if there are even if there are 4 terms, then what you have to do? Take A by R and AR. Okay, means take the ratio as 2R. So now this will be A by 3R and here not 3R, A by R cube and here AR cube. Means A by R cube multiply by R square. A by R multiply by R square. 1 R will get cancelled and AR multiply by R square. So when there are even numbers of terms, take the ratio as 2R. Okay. So at present we are taking 3 terms. So let the first 3 terms be this. Now our role is to find out the value of A and R, and then we will find out this geometric progression. Now it's given that the sum is 39 by 10, means S3, that will be equal to A by R plus A plus AR. So this is sum of these three terms, that is equal to 39 by 10. Okay, so what we can do, we can take here a common. It will be 1 by R plus 1 plus R, that will be equal to 39 by 10. Clear? So this was about from the first given thing. Now see, next it is given that the product is 1. Okay, product is 1 means will multiply it A by R. Let's name this as equation 1. Product now, A by R multiply by A multiply by AR, that is equal to 1. So RR gets cancelled. A cube is equal to 1. So this implies that E equal to 1. So see, we got the value of A. Now put this in equation 1 and find out the value of R. From 1 and 2, 1 into 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 39 by 10. So 1 by R plus R, I will take LCM. So 1 plus R square. And this will be 39 by 10. 1, I will take it on other side. So that will be minus 1. 39 minus 10, that will be 29 by 10. 1 plus R square by R equal to 29 by 10. Let's cross multiply. 10 plus 10R square equal to 29R. Taking on one side, 10R square plus minus 29R plus 10, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now it's time to factorize. So see, 10 into 10, that will be 100. And here it's minus 29. So we need to split minus 29 into two such numbers that when we will add it, it will be minus 29, and when multiply it, it will be plus 100. We know that 25 into 4, that is equal to 100. Right? 25 into 4, that is 100. So 10R square minus 25R minus 4R plus 10 equal to 0. So from these two, I can take 5 common. 5R. So it will be 5R, sorry, not 5R, 2R minus 5. And from these two, I can take 2 common. So it will be 2R minus 5 equal to 0. This implies 5R minus 2 into 2R minus 5 equal to 0. So 5R minus 2 equal to 0 or 2R minus 5 equal to 0. So I can write it down, R equal to 2 by 5 or R equal to 5 by 2. We also found out the value of R. Now there are two values of R. Okay, so now to find out the series, okay, first let's take A equal to 1, R equal to 2 by 5. For the terms A by R, A and AR. So A by R, that will be 1 by 2 by 5. A, that is 1. AR means 1 into 2 by 5. So it's 1 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. This is the first series. Okay. Now, when I take A equal to 1 and R equal to 5 by 2. So it will be A by R means 1 upon 5 by 2. 1 upon 5 by 2. A means 1 and R, that is 5 by 2. So it's 1 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. The geometric progression, the series of the geometric progression will be 1 by 2, 1 and 5 or 1 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. Okay, so this was about question number 12. So just note it down. Okay. Okay, students, so that's it for today. Thank you.